What's your name? What's the play? Blunts and brews, movie 2, smoothie tree.
What it do, girl, you smooth making moves like you do. I got nerves like butterflies about to hatch you like a coon because I like you. And I think you should know. We'll be together till we die, the greatest team, you and I. You're my favorite source of bliss, I think I love you, no surprise. How you laugh when we're together, all that singing in the shower. When I'm with you, I am better, now I'm thinking about forever. And I know when you get home, you'll make you smooth and sweet. Well, now and then I think again about the time that we were friends, how I only wanted more and that your love would be the end because I liked you. No, I really, really like you. So I mustered up the courage, man, believe me, I'd prefer a million bad days over all this concern. But she said better late than never, boy, believe me when I tell you, I've been hoping you would ask. Now I'm thinking about forever, and I know when you get home, you'll make this smooth